Welcome back. Here is how to update your PiggyVest savings frequency without resetting your account balance or losing your progress. So you log into your PiggyVest account, tap on savings. After tapping on savings, select piggy bank or the specific savings plan you want to edit. So let's say piggy bank, for example. So you tap on auto save settings or modify auto save. So whichever one, auto save settings, you click on it. So after clicking on it, you choose your new preferred frequency without having to deal with your account balance, or you have to reset it. So choose your preferred deduction amount, timing and funding card. Save your changes. Your existing accumulated savings, interest and streak will remain completely untouched. Thanks for watching and stay consistent with your savings.